Welcome! Today we're going on an exciting adventure inside a modern hospital. This is the reception, where friendly nurses welcome patients and register their information. Patients wait here calmly until it's their turn to see the doctor. The doctor carefully listens to the patient and checks their health. The emergency room is always ready to help people who need urgent medical care. X-ray machines help doctors look inside the body to find broken bones or injuries. In the laboratory, blood and other samples are tested to help doctors understand illnesses. The pharmacy provides the medicines that patients need to recover. This is the operation theater, where skilled doctors perform surgeries in a clean and safe environment. The intensive care unit cares for patients who need close monitoring and special treatment. In the general ward, nurses and doctors continue caring for patients every day. The children's ward is colorful and cheerful, helping young patients feel comfortable. This is the maternity ward, where mothers and newborn babies receive special care. Advanced scanning machines help doctors see detailed images inside the body. Physiotherapy helps patients become stronger and move more comfortably after injuries or illness. The hospital cafeteria offers healthy food for visitors, patients, and staff. Doctors and nurses walk through the hallways, always ready to help anyone in need. A kind nurse helps an elderly patient with care, patience, and respect. Doctors, nurses, and hospital staff work together as one team to care for everyone. Our hospital adventure ends here. Thank you for joining us, and remember to stay healthy and take care.